Good morning. My name is Guy Sella. I'm the CEO and founder of Smart Fertilizer Management. Smart is a software and web platform for optimizing fertilizer use in agriculture. And we help farmers to increase their yields, save money, and protect the environment. The company is self-funded by me so far, and without any significant marketing efforts, we've reached over 500 customers in 46 different countries. Now, fertilizers. If we talk about fertilizers, not only fruits and vegetables require fertilizers. It's also the clothes you wear, the bacon you had this morning, energy. These are all huge consumers of fertilizers. And the use of fertilizers is in the hands of the farmer. So if you're a farmer, you have to deal with many uncertainties that are beyond your control. It's weather conditions, water availability, pests and disease. And actually, one of the few factors you can control is the way you manage fertilizers. And for the farmer, this can mean the difference between profit and loss. But knowing the exact amount and balance of fertilizers to apply is a complex task, and it's actually a blind spot for most farmers and professionals. Just to make it simple, if the farmer applies too little fertilizers, he gets less yield. If he applies too much, not only does he spend money on unnecessary fertilizers, but he also pollutes the environment and eventually loses yields. Now, because of the complexity of finding the optimal fertilization range, the agricultural industry in the 21st century still relies on trial and error and rules of thumb. And we in Smart, we bring science into fertilizer management and wrap it up in an easy-to-use platform. So farmers using our software can dramatically increase their yields, save money, and do their part in protecting the environment. For example, farmers in South Africa increased soybean yields just by using our software by 27% and used 19% less fertilizers. Another example, just from last week, watermelon growers in California got 70% more yields in plots where they used Smart software and used also 25% less fertilizers. And there are many examples like this. So how does it work? The user enters his field data into the software. It can be a water quality, soil analysis, fertilizer prices. This information integrates with a knowledge base in our system and with our unique algorithms, in which, by the way, we've invested 15,000 programming hours. And the software returns a report with an optimal fertilization plan that the farmer can implement. Now, the software is structured to serve a wide range of users, not just farmers. So from small farmers to universities, laboratories, agricultural companies, and so on. And since we are now working on the web as a SaaS cloud solution, all the information and knowledge accumulates as a global database, which is critical. We see our total available market as the 5.5 million farms that are larger than 5 hectares and that grow intensive crops. And on our immediate target market, there are 600,000 farms in the United States, in Latin America, Australia, and India. And our bottom-up analysis brings us to 34,000 users at 4 years post-investment. When we began sales, we started selling a desktop software at an average price of $1,200. This is now shifting to a SaaS model subscription, in which the user pay a monthly fee of $49 to $379 per month. We have three main parts to our go-to-market strategy. First is an aggressive online marketing. Our website already attracts over 20,000 unique visitors per month, organic searches, and we have 5,000 subscribers to our newsletter. The second is large distribution channels with fertilizer, seed, irrigation companies, laboratories, and the third is strategic collaborations with key players in the market. And I'm delighted to say that since we've released our SaaS solution just 4 months ago, we already signed important distribution agreements with key players, with Haifa Chemicals, which is distributing us, with Compo, which is a German fertilizer company for which we've designed a white label. Hortus is a major laboratory in Australia with whom we integrate systems. And we're now in advanced discussions with the International Plant Nutrition Institute to collaborate first in Ecuador, later in other countries in Latin America. This is an advertisement by Haifa Chemicals of our software. On our competitive landscape, we see other software solutions and sensor-based systems. You can ask me about the sensor-based systems in the Q&A. I will focus on the other software. So we identify 4 competitive advantages. One is that we completely focus on fertilizer management. Our solution is applicable to a wide range of users and conditions. And the SaaS solution enables us to make a scalable packages and a database, ever-growing database. We are asking for $1 million. With this money, we'll reach 34,000 users at 4 years from investment, and the break-even point is at 3,600 users, 18 months post-investment. This will be used mainly for building the company, the sales force, and the marketing support, or what's required for that. And just in conclusion, I'd like to leave you with one thought, that when you pass by a field next time, you know that here in Geneva, you saw a sustainable technology that will forever change the way that we use fertilizers. Thank you very much.